Hey, I'm Melanie Kate, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways, technically, how I wear my hair with my curtain bangs. Now, I've just realised this because I just re-straightened them this morning to get the flick going right because they were behind my ears yesterday. But I realised that when I cut my hair the other week, like last week, I should have cut my bangs as well, but there we go. They're quite long, but they do the trick. They do what they're meant to do, so ignore that. They are slightly longer than maybe others have, but they are mine for now. Anyway, if you haven't already, please subscribe, push that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my posts. I thank everyone who joins in with my journey. So now onto the video. The first one is this hairstyle pretty much, and that is because I wear it, my hair like this. If it's down, I wear it like this, which is just straightened, blow dry straight, and then straighteners run over the top, or just straightened, and then I have my curtain bangs. Let me show you. So they're like that basically, and they flick back. Can you see that? They flick back rather than they look in front. So yeah, they need a little cut desperately. So I wear them down. I wear it down probably 9 out of 10 times, but I do wear it up as well. So there's 2 options of ponytails that I love. So I've just got my headband in. This is my only hairband that I've got left, so ignore that it's got like the tassely bits and it's actually 2 elastics. So obviously I wear it down all the time like I just said, but the first way I do it, well, there's 2 ponytails. The first way is a low ponytail, and I love wearing a low ponytail at the moment. And it obviously is easy as you could probably wear a low ponytail curled as well. I just don't like braids, plaits with curtain bangs hanging out the front. That's just my personal style. But anyway, to the side, so I hope you can see. You want to keep your bangs out, and then untuck my ears. I've got a mirror here, by the way, so let me just sort out the sides and the back. I've got a cow's lick at the back of my head, which makes my hair really funny to part and whatnot. But right, I've got the perfect ponytail that I want, and then you just wrap it. Like so, and then you've got your ponytail. And got a long bit here out that needs cutting in. There we go, there's ponytail number 1. Okay. Oh. Round 2 is a high ponytail, and you kind of want a bit of volume in the back of your hair just to get it right. So you technically would probably want a hairbrush, but I am myself and I don't ever brush my hair except the day I wash it. Right, so I've picked up all my hair other than my curtain bangs. You kind of want to see, I've got this lumpy bit here, that's what you don't want. So you just want to and then you want to play around with your bangs so that they are correct. So yeah, like that. And then you just want to ponytail it. Like that, but then just tweak it near the top of the pony. You just want to pull it a little bit. Hope that shows on camera. Just to get, oh, I've got a lump in mine. Pull out all the hair as well. if you get like the loop here that I've got, you can just grip that, bobby pin it. Handy that I have some here. Like so. Easy as. Slightly messy, but not. But I think that just looks cute anyway. I'd always go scruffy over like perfect because it looks a little bit better for me. It's even quite nice just to hang it to one side, but how it both looks, you've got the long bits hanging down as well as your fringe. There is, look, 2 or 3 technically, and the last one, if I just take the bobby pins out, that I've just dropped onto my stool. Is what my friend tells me I look like a sumo wrestler or someone from Mulan. But his words were the sumo wrestler. We have a lovely friendship, but you just want to bun it. So keep your bangs out. I've just tucked them behind my ears. You want a high-ish ponytail again. Brush out all them loops because you don't want them in your bun. Okay, so that's I'm trying to get close up so you can see but also be tall enough. So this is my high ponytail. It's pretty much that much thicker, like from my fingertip. So from the top of my finger to like my knuckle, away from my fringe parting. And then holding that, taking everything else and then just wrapping around your head. Then put in the hairband and then tweak your bun about so you haven't got them lumpy bits. Put a bobby pin up the back of your hair if you've got like small bits, but this is called the sumo wrestler look. Well, you're not really, but you know, you can pull it out a bit, have like a bit of a hair, but there it is. Should probably grip that in and then grip that down. Shall I show you? So with this bit here that's like lumpy, sticking out too much, I'm going to pin this bit of my bun to that bit of hair. Here you go. There it is. You look like a sumo wrestler in guy friends way. But there it is. But it just keeps your hair out the way, it's up, but you also still having the elements of the curtain bangs. Mine are really long now, I've just realised that in this video. I do need to have them chopped, but they're perfect because I can also tuck them behind my ears if I don't want them on show. Like, have them in my way so I can do that. But yeah, they are the looks for this video for 3 updos. I know the ponytails are pretty simple, so is this to be fair, but you don't have to put a lot into your look with curtain bangs as long as they look right. So for me, they swoop back in my face, they swoop back. You don't need anything else than that. Just chuck your hair up. I really do love the low ponytail with it. To be fair, I love a low ponytail in general, and then I would, if I wasn't having my curtain bangs out, I would plait down to the ponytail, which I think I've done a video on before. But for me personally, I don't think braids, plaits go with curtain bangs or bangs in general. I just don't think that they look right out with it, but that's just my personal opinion. It's up to you if you feel different. But most of them are just literally hairstyles like this because it's like a no effort hairstyle, though you've put in the effort into your fringe, I guess, into your bangs. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you've got curtain bangs, what is the best way you wear them. Do you wear them up or down, or what's your recommendations basically? Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.